My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to use your own handwriting and doodles in Photoshop. So if you're going to use your own handwriting, I'm going to recommend that you use a tablet, because otherwise, if you're using a mouse, it's not going to be true at all to your handwriting. So the first thing you're going to do is, once you've got your tablet, you're going to go into Photoshop and you're going to go to Window and Brush. And as you see, when you first go into Brush, it's going to look like this. And there is no pressure sensitivity at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Shape Dynamics. And as you can see, it's going to change the shape of my brush. So when I add pressure to it, it actually acts as a real pen. And you can do this with any size. And then it'll look like that, so just lock it so that way it won't mess around with it. It'll just stay pressure sensitive so that you can continue to work and not have to worry about it switching back. So then what you can do, I personally like to add another layer, just because if you add it to the background, it's going to stay to the background and it's just easier to edit it with another layer. And the way you do that is just click this little button down here. And then you can start writing. And it can take practice to actually get used to the tablet, because essentially what you're doing is you're practicing your hand-eye coordination, because you're not actually looking at the paper and drawing on the screen unless you have a screen tablet. That's different, but it'll take some getting used to. But how you can use your doodles is pretty simple. If you want to write a whole document, you can make your own paper. So one thing I used to like to do is I used to like to write or create lines so that I could sort of write very evenly. And then you can go on top of that and add another layer, and then use your handwriting. My name is Alex, and this is how you use your own handwriting and doodles in Photoshop. Thank you.